What's this speed of sound?
That's mine. So we're doing this thing, but the bass can actually hit those notes that are kind of framing these chords that I'm not really playing. So down, 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 down. And then the chorus is no, I'm not crying, no, I think there must be something in my eyes. Nothing can hurt me now, you know it only strengthens my disguise. Listen to me, I will tell you all the secrets in my soul. Here's a something we can talk and laugh about as we grow. I'd be lying, I was to say nothing in this world can make me change my way. We can make amends one by one, fool each other into believing that there's nothing wrong. And then the chorus part is I like that shirt, it really brings out the color in your eyes. One time you said that to me, oh, you know how it made me shine. You see you standing on the shoreline, so I'm trying to swim. I keep trying to get closer, but the rift I don't feel. I was drowning, you saved me. What you say? chorus now. Pick me up when lift me up or I hit the ground. Rescue me when I stop thinking. It can happen at the speed of sound. What's that?
Filling out those lower notes.
Yeah, you see, because I'm not playing those notes, but they're there, and so the chorus is just the same. It's kind of like that, and then I'm doing a thing during the solo where it goes.